Hello EduDream. Dear students, we are going to learn Standard 2, Unit 2.5, Word Basket. Look, listen and repeat. Hen, men, den, pen, pen. Now students, look at the picture and match them with their names. Hen, men, den, ten, pen. Read aloud and match the same words. Men, net, web, jet, red, leg, bed, den, get, ten, wet, and pet. Now match the same words. Match the word net. Match the word pet. Match the word den. Match the word red. Match the word wet. Match the word leg. Match the word web. Match the word jet. Match the word bed. Match the word men. Match the word get. Match the word ten.
Thanks for watching.
Look, listen, repeat and read. A hen. A pet hen. A pet hen in a net. A pen. A red pen. A red pen on a bed. 10 men. 10 men sat on a mat.